Hello everyone, Toastmaster is the best place for honing our leadership skills. And today I am excited to introduce to you our future leaders of Noida Toastmaster Club. They will strengthen our EC team, they will work hand in hand with the current EC team to create that wow experience for all of us. Let us hear from them what they feel to be part of Noida Toastmaster Club and how excited they are to embark on the journey of leadership for setting up the new horizons in Noida Toastmaster Club.
Hi, I'm Anil Jalali. I'll start off with a poem which I had written when I was a young schoolboy. We are like the sun which rises in the east and sets in the west. Everyone knows the best that man is only a guest who stays here for a day and gone the next. The realization that your time is limited, you are here only for a brief period of time, eggs you on to uncharted territories. One of the uncharted territory was public speaking, and hence my joining Toastmasters. Another reason is to be part of an internal journey, and the external manifestation is Toastmasters. Hence the motivation. Thank you.
I feel privileged to be part of NTMC. I wish to associate with EC team to take NTMC newer height by growing together.
Being a part of Noida Toastmasters Club has been an amazing experience as it has a very welcoming, positive, and supportive environment where every Toastmaster receives heaps of encouragement from the fellow Toastmasters. And the best part is that you are encouraged to be your best self.
After joining NTMC, I am feeling rejuvenated and confident enough that slowly and gradually I will be able to overcome my biggest fear, that is public speaking. The energy, enthusiasm, cooperation among all the members of NTMC, the way they encourage each other to achieve the common goal, makes me feel motivated to work for NTMC. Furthermore, after joining as an associate with VP Education, I will be able to involve myself fully in NTMC, which ultimately helps in boosting my confidence, interpersonal skills, teamwork, and much more. I am really grateful to the EC of NTMC for giving me the chance to be its part. Thank you.
Hi, I joined as an associate VP PR. The first thing that motivated me to take up this role is the name itself, public relations. I love to interact with people, hence, I took up this role. Also, the path of the learning which this role will give me. I hope my tenure adds value to the club and also at the same time I derive some learnings on this path. Looking forward to this tenure, looking forward to work with you all. Thank you.
Everyone, my name is Navnil. I joined Noida Toastmasters Club last month, and in 1 month only I can see changes happening in my communication level, in my speeches, and also I've joined as an associate. So overall, it is a great learning experience here. Thank you.
Hello everyone, this is Saurabh. I joined Toastmasters few months back and it helped me a lot to improve my communication skills and boosting up my confidence. Just few days ago, Toastmaster Bhagwan called me to join as a part of secretary in executive committee. So I'm happy to join that because I know it would definitely help me to grow up in the future. Thank you.